Well, today is a very windy and pretty rainy day, so definitely not as nice as yesterday. It's a good day to be tucked up inside doing all the cozy things. So I'm going to visit my friend Annette, who, like I said yesterday, she's been on this channel before. Sorry for the wiper noises. We often get together and have sewing days, but we're also work friends and just friends who like to hang out. And so today we're really just going to hang out. I have brought my knitting along because she's also been working on some knitting projects, so I thought it'd be nice to just sit and do some knitting together. She's going to be making me some traditional Danish buns that she makes from time to time, and you cut them open and you have them with like open face sandwiches, and they are delicious and always a treat, and it's always nice when she makes them for me. So that was why I wanted to make some things. That's why I made the hummus yesterday. I feel like it should be a good spread overall and really just a cozy hangout, which is what I'm after at the moment. Like I said yesterday, I'm really trying to get the cozy vibes going this December, and I feel like this is a good way to add to that. Hello! Hello! Right, tell us what you're making.
Okay, I am making a cardigan for my partner's mother, and
Color is so good.
I have
So
gotten
bright.
quite far, as
Oh
you'll
gosh,
be able to
yes.
see. So I'm on the second sleeve. I know.
Oh wow.
And yeah, and then I still have to, after the sleeve,
button band.
to do a button band all the way down on both sides, and then of course to finish all the little loose ends.
It's so lovely. You're
But
the
yeah,
best.
it's really quite nice.
I can't believe how much you knit for other people. You're so kind.
Yeah, well, let's be honest. My partner's sister was like, "Oh, can you knit a sweater for a dog?" And I was like, "Actually, my nephew is next, and then Wojtek has been waiting for a sweater for a long time as well."
Insane. Next level. My
Yeah,
dog.
I was like, "You know how long it takes?"
I thought it was going to be for her, which is
No,
still kind of cheeky, but...
she wanted it for the dog, and I was like,
hilarious.
"Yeah, maybe at some point. I'll get back to you."
I'll hit you up in like 20 years when I finish my other
exactly.
list. That's really funny. I am back at home. That was such a lovely cozy way to spend a day. It was really nice to be able to catch up with Annette. We are good friends and we usually see each other pretty often, but it's actually been a very long time since I've seen her. I feel like it's probably August the last time I saw her, which is way too long. So the main thing we wanted to do was just to have some time to hang out and catch up, and it was really great to be able to do that. It was a bonus to have a nice little feast. She actually really liked the hummus, and I think with all the dipping stuff, I think it was good. I think it's more, like I said, it's just the thing of like when you're home making something that you're hoping that it's going to be that little bit more special. I did love her Danish buns. There was a particular spread that she had. It was like a cinnamon and, was it macadamia nut? I put it up on the screen. I'll pop an image in here as well. That was so tasty. And I used the plum jam that she had in the combo. She said it just tastes like Christmas morning, and she was definitely onto something. They were such a great combo. That was really delicious. But it was great to see what she's knitting and to be able to work on some knitting together. I forgot to bring my final color of my stripe pipe sweater because that was what I was planning on knitting. And so I was only able to knit about like 4 rows or something of a sleeve before I ran out of the right yarn to be able to keep going. But that's fine. The main point was to hang out, and we did hang out, and it was really nice. And her place is so Christmassy at the moment. We were listening to Christmas music. It was just good vibes all around. It is good to be home. I want to open my Fabric Godmother Advent day. Now I realized when I kind of slightly cut off the image because I was expecting to just shoot from above. So this is the back of the box, has a little pin cushion here and this cute little pocket as well. So I have already left open the web page that tells me what's on each day. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to find what it says for day 2, and then I'll find the gift and open it up. Okay. I wasn't sure whether or not I should actually look at this or open the gift first, but it does say, tells me where it is, and it says open this bag to find your second Advent gift. Click on the button below once you've opened your gift for more information. So I feel like that's the right way around to do it. I will look at what this tells me, and it seems like it's trying to avoid giving me spoilers. So I think I should be okay. So the number 2 gift is underneath this delightful tray that's going to be very handy for organizing. Oh, it's a big boy. Okay. It feels like fabric. I'm not someone who usually like shakes presents to try and figure it out, but I know there's some fabric here, and it's feeling like that. So let's open it up. Does it say anything on here? No, we just have some olives. And it's in a nice reusable bag. I will definitely be able to make use of that for possibly a little project bag for my sewing. That could be a handy thing to have. We're wrapped within wrapping. This is interfacing. We are wrapped in some iron-on interfacing, fusible interfacing. I hope I don't make a mess. Okay, this is some Christmas fabric. Well, actually not necessarily Christmas. The colors are Christmas, but the image is actually definitely really any season. New Year, we've got champagne, we've got cocktails, we've got olives, we've got kind of cocktail party. I feel like the color is maybe a bit brighter on the screen than it is in real life. I'll hold up and see if I can do a bit of a color correct if I don't think that it's accurate. I'm not sure if this fabric is me. We'll see. We'll see what it wants me to do with it. So click here. Champagne chic is the ultimate party print. Yes. Overflowing champagne glasses, sparkling disco balls, and an abundance of bowls all add to the party vibes. If you want to kickstart your project, now is the time to pop your champagne chic viscose lawn into the machine for a pre-wash. We recommend a gentle wash at 30 degrees and line drying. Why not use the pink bag that came in to store your future projects with all the notions? So I don't think the colors are particularly great colors for me, and The print is kind of loud. I could see a dress that maybe is just its own thing rather than like a mix and match. I'm gonna withhold full judgment here, but I appreciate it. I think it's fun. And we're gonna see what happens as the month goes on. Now, the other thing just to say that may or may not be obvious to you guys at this point is that my day one of Vlogmas is coming out late. I had all the intentions of filming a day early so I could put the video out. Really, the idea was to put it out in the morning of the 1st of December to get my day one video. I had recently changed the settings on my camera that I'm using now, and I didn't realize that I had basically made it so HD that it's like, it was overheating my camera. I think I mentioned that yesterday, but also like the quality is so hard and slow for my camera to process, or my computer to process. And so I have been uploading my video from, it was about 10:30 in the morning I finished editing, and it's, where was I looking at like 5:30, it was still only at 53% exported. So I can't even upload it until it's exporting the file. And it still said it had like, I don't know, 5.5 hours or something remaining, by which point I will be in bed. So I think that one's gonna be coming out late. So I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna catch up. I intend to probably catch up at some point, but you're not getting a video every single day coming out anyway. So I'll make it work. I'll figure out what's gonna happen. I don't want to get up to too much else this evening because I'm feeling pretty tired, to be honest. I had a pretty long drive. There was a lot of traffic going either way to and from Annette, so I'm feeling a bit wiped. So I'm just gonna get some dinner organized with my husband. We do have an earlier start tomorrow because we're planning to go to Oxford. We are visiting his parents and we're going to an art exhibition. I will show you what I can show you tomorrow. I hope it was nice just to get a little glimpse and a little cozy hang with me and Annette. I always enjoy those cozier vlogs myself, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!